Hello and more hellos. Welcome back into the channel, guys. I hope you're doing well. We can see today, well, over the last 24 hours really, helium has really started to kind of blow up in price. It's done some crazy stuff over the last week, from $1.50 all the way up to prices of over $2. So we're looking at helium today. We did look at a little short position in the Discord channel, which I've got down below for you, from $2 then down to $1.92, and we can see now it is slightly consolidating at this level at a $259 million market cap. So helium right here is now above rank 100 once again. It has climbed back into a top 100 position, which is really quite good in my opinion. So this is the people powered networks. Start a wireless revolution powered by the Helium blockchain. The people's network represents a paradigm shift for decentralized wireless infrastructure. Pretty cool. So loads of hotspots, quite a lot of circulating supply at the moment, as well as we can see, and coin market cap is also really illustrating that fact. 61% is in supply of the total maximum supply that we can see down below of 223 million tokens. So just looking at a bit of news before we do get into the, I suppose, the the technical analysis side of things, because it's in a significant downtrend still. We can see there's a couple bits of news here. So just a few days ago, or literally 17 hours ago, this was tweeted 4th of January, the most innovative tracking solutions will use the Helium network. More economical data transfer enabled by Helium. This means businesses can pour out more investment into superior hardware, like the credit card sized Mimic track device from the Mimic. So we can see Helium is supporting a lot of huge movements at the moment. Another one here. Trustworthy location data is critical to Hive Mapper's goal of building a decentralized global map. Hive Mapper leverages Helium's IoT network to add extra layers of verification and information to Hive Mapper's data. So they're really doing some massive integrations here. And I think with more partnerships like this, we'll see Helium go up in price more and more. We just need more holders in the overall network. So looking pretty good. $6 million trading volume here for Helium, which is quite significant, to be honest. Looking at the price analysis, this is where things get a little bit kind of worrying. So we can see on the RSI consistently on the daily time frame, every single time Helium gets to around about 60 on the daily RSI, still not yet been overbought, which is quite interesting. Looking at the Bollinger Bands on the daily time frame, yesterday or just over the last 24 hours, we can see Helium was extremely overbought and actually exceeded this white line on the Bollinger Bands and is now above the 20-day moving average. Of course, we did have a lot of volume, which is typically a good thing, but it could not hold this particular position here. And what we're seeing on this particular daily time frame, in my opinion, is a hidden bearish divergence where we're putting for a lower high right here on the price. So we have our swing high on our trend line, and at resistance again at $2.19, we've got another swing high, but it's a lower high. And on the RSI, we can see right here we've printed a high, and then we've printed a higher high right here. So we've got, a lower high over here on the top, and then a higher high on the RSI. So it's actually a hidden bearish divergence, in my opinion, which is not typically a good thing if you're looking for more positive price momentum. Now, looking what has happened into the 4-hour time frame, you can see extremely overbought once again, 81 on that RSI. When we look at the Fibonacci retracement of this particular pump here, we can see it has pulled back now to about 0.5. It has cooled down to around 0.618. So there was a good shorting opportunity at that $2.10 mark, and especially $2.19 if you were able to catch it, but the chances are you probably did not. So in my opinion, I don't know if it's really worth getting into Helium right now. I think it's better to wait. We're still in a bear market. The trend is still overall down, and the market is still very much unknown as to what could happen. Looking at the weekly time frame, this is a huge descending channel, as we can see. We've got the lower low, we've got the lower high at the same time. So there's every chance that we could still see Helium come down to like $1.33 at some point in the near future. And looking at the actual price, we've got so many resistance levels to get back through here for Helium. As you can see, it's a constant downtrend. It's basically a stairway just going down, and we're pretty much bottoming out at the moment. As you see, the RSI has been oversold multiple times on the weekly time frame, which is usually quite rare to see for any particular coins that do gain major traction. So yeah, there's a little video on Helium, guys. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe, help me hit that 10k, get yourself into the Discord. We're talking about loads of cool pre-sales. Dash to Trade is one that will launch very soon. It's actually going to go live on the 11th of January. We're going to see it get deployed on 4 centralized exchanges. There is a link down below for the Dash to Trade pre-sale if you want to have a look at it. And really, it's just a good place to learn in the crypto winter and understand more about everything crypto related to prepare yourself for the crypto bull markets ahead. Anyway, guys, take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Slap that like button, smash the subscribe button, and leave us a comment. See you soon.